Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to EPCOT. We are in the midst of the Flower and Garden Festival 2021 here. And although we don't have a ton of time to spend here today because we're actually trying to hop and check off a few of the things at the Magic Kingdom that we didn't get done on our last visit, we are going to spend a little bit of time today checking out the specific flower and garden offerings. I know Katie wants to take pictures with a lot of topiaries because they are pretty impressive. There's a butterfly garden here as well. And maybe, just maybe, we'll find a way to get her on mission space today. Come along with us, you guys. We're gonna see some topiaries. So this is the special event offering for Flower and Garden. Well, I guess one of many. This is the Goodness Garden Butterfly House, staged right next to the Journey into Imagination Pavilion, where you would usually have some characters occupying this space. Right now, it's an entire tent and a butterfly garden. Ooh, come on in. Look at all the butterfly activity.
Flew right up to me. Oh, I love that one with like the lime green color. He's on a strawberry. I don't know what.
Oh, I didn't even see him.
That's the one that flew right into my face. He was like, pay attention to me.
They love to pose for pictures here. This is like the butterfly equivalent of Kilimanjaro safaris.
Oh, look, some caterpillars.
Oh, look at that.
There's going to be beautiful butterflies.
They're actively watching butterflies hatch from their cocoons. It's so cool. Look, you can be Figment. Are you short Figment or tall Figment?
I don't know. I'm gonna find out.
I think you're probably short Figment. I don't know that you can be. Oh! What do you know? How much time do you figure it takes them to put together each one of these topiaries, on average?
Again, I mean, it has to be days probably.
Yeah, it would definitely take probably at least 48. At least. And that's with like a team of like 8 to 10 people working on each one.
Maybe the 2-foot-tall Chippendale doesn't take as long, but...
That's why I said on average, because some of them are huge, some of them are tiny. They're all superbly detailed though.
I love them.
And they have, I mean, the topiaries themselves can be done ahead of time, but they have to be planted overnight for the transition between one festival and the next. Disney does things quick. There she is. Are you ready?
For this?
Yes.
Can I just stand here and look at Buzz?
No. You cannot. Seems like I might not be able to coax Katie onto mission space on my own. So let's get Carousel Connor in on this.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, this is Connor from Carousel Connor. He's a good friend of ours. We've been chatting a lot on Facebook for a long time, so it's great to finally meet up. This is your hometown, right?
Now
Orlando?
it is,
yeah.
Since November.
he's a native.
Fun fact though, actually, this is only my second time, if we are riding the orange.
We're riding orange.
Right,
we're riding orange.
This is only my second time riding orange.
All right. Awesome. Awesome. We got a full flight crew.
You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space exploration. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll fire the thrusters for lunar orbit insertion.
Oh no, that's me.
Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to... All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shield. Located on the instrument panels.
Loading flight plan.
I turned off the oxygen.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it's a lot of cheese.
My skin is falling off my body.
Initiate first stage separation now.
Commander!
Zero-G confirmed. You should have visual of the space station now.
I do! I got it!
Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion now.
I did it! Woo!
Engineer, activate hypersleep.
Sleepy by nappy time.
Activated. Hypersleep duration 3
months. Monitoring warning.
Can the pandemic be over after that?
That's what I'm saying. I was like, where's this a year ago?
Rise and shine. Let's go, team. We've got a problem. Beginning evasive maneuvers. This meteor storm is directly over your Mars landing site. Proximity alert. Navigator, fire rockets for descent. Now.
Woo!
200 miles to planet surface.
Oh, Lord.
All hands on the control stick. Pull back.
Whoa, pull back.
Left. Pull left.
Whoa!
Now right. Just hold it steady. Runway ends in 1,000 feet.
Oh, that's more than we got.
Watch the barrier. 15 feet. Pull back.
Oh.
Hang on.
Up, up. Oh dear.
Down and clear. Alert. Location, Canyon Edge.
Oh.
Move a muscle.
Riley, stop moving!
Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars.
Great trip.
Yes, that was great. I almost ruined it in the beginning, but we steered clear after that.
No, it's all good. I don't think the buttons do anything, to be honest with you,
Well, it felt good.
it makes you feel more in control.
Wait, so we're not in control?
I don't think we're in control. It's not the Millennium Falcon, no. Guys, do remember to check out Carousel of Connor's channel. Connor's a great dude. He's got some amazing videos on the character warehouses on I-4. He does a lot of bargain hunting there. So if you're interested in Disney merch, he's got your back. But he's also a really cool guy that goes around to theme parks and explores and adventures just like us, so it gets our stamp of approval. Here at the Port of Entry gift shop, we do have quite a bit of flower and garden merch, including these orange bird ears that everyone hates. Do you love them or hate them?
I just feel like Disney ears are too tight on my head.
Well, I meant the aesthetic.
I don't know, looking at them, I think they're actually kind of like cute in their tackiness, but I did prefer last year better.
You can tell how popular these limited edition ears aren't by how many of them there are. Had they been any other limited edition ears, these things would be flying off the shelves. Now, Katie did find another set of Flower and Garden 2021 ears that are not orange bird based. What do you think of those?
I mean, I've seen people have these and I think they're really pretty, and I'm hoping it's not too small for my head.
It looks good. Does it feel tight?
It doesn't feel tight right now. It doesn't feel as bad. My Haunted Mansion ears are the worst, which I love them.
They are adorable.
They are the worst.
But they are tight. I mean, those look good. She bought the ears. Disney wins again.
I can't walk around without ears at Magic Kingdom. It feels weird.
It does, and they were too cute to resist. Before we go, I did want to give you guys a glimpse at the barges for the upcoming Harmonious Spectacular. Each one of these barges has been outfitted with a seismic water pump that should, when everything is said and done and all of this has been positioned correctly, should create a massive water feature, some sort of fountain that's going to kind of reposition everything and recreate a sight line that's more aesthetically appealing than these big iron hulks. And we know from the EPCOT experience that Harmonious, in whatever form or fashion it arrives, is going to be absolutely amazing. May actually turn out to be my favorite fireworks spectacular. I think it might actually top Happily Ever After. We'll see. But in the meantime, just be patient with the aesthetic that we have now. It's not quite there yet. It's going to be amazing, but give it a chance. Well, after countless distractions, we've finally made it to the Skyliner gate, and it is time to hop. And we're off. All right, don't judge us. We have only 2 must-dos here today. We've got to get on Jungle Cruise and we've got to sit down for the Tiki Room show. Those are the only 2 things we really didn't get a chance to do this entire trip. So those are the first things we want to do today. We got about 2.5 hours until close here. Plenty of time.
Attention skippers, please urge your passengers to disembark on the starboard side of the boat. That's the side closest to the dock. If you pull in bow first. Attention passengers, please urge your skippers to pull into the dock bow further.
Welcome everybody to the world famous Jungle Cruise, or we are world famous for being famous around the world. My name is Michaela, and I'll be your skipper today. Well, you know, for as far as we get. It's just so nice seeing all the animals gathered together. It's like one big happy family. Oh, that poor zebra. Someone should have told it to Mufasa. That is incredible. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it in my life. There has got to be like 1,000,000 rocks on that beach. Amazing. Oh, here it comes, folks. The moment you've all been waiting for. The eighth wonder of the world. The Well, folks, we've laughed together. We've cried together. We very nearly died together. I'd say that makes us a lot like family, wouldn't you? Well, like a family, especially on vacation. 10 minutes together has been long enough, so get out.
It was worth the park hop. That was an absolutely great ride on Jungle Cruise. First in a long time.
It was a shame about Trader Sam, though. We missed him.
Who?
Trader Sam, the guy at the end, the really famous animatronic.
Who?
They took him away. Trader Sam, he's got the heads.
I don't know what you're talking about. There's only ever been netting there. Do not judge us, guys. We are prioritizing the Tiki Room. I have actually never experienced this attraction, and I have a feeling that eventually it's gonna be torn down, so I have to get in there while it's here. Here we go! It's like a proper luau.
I don't remember the last time I did Tiki Room. I think it was with my family in like 2007.
That was a long time ago. And as previously mentioned, I have never been to see the Enchanted Tiki Room. Although I have played the song a lot.
Many times.
Many times.
Different covers.
It's my road playlist, it's my shower playlist, it's my cleaning playlist. It's pretty much just my playlist. So I do know the words, but I don't know the birds. Well, that was delightful.
As a kid, you kind of forget that they're like summoning a tiki god at the end.
Yeah, it was terrifying. Rainforest Cafe caliber enchantment. And the best part is that we've done the two things we set out to do here today, and it's only 7:30. Tell you what, if you're looking to get wet on Pirates, row 5 is timed out just perfectly for you. Not so much for me. Well, fam, we got about 10 minutes left in the day. We're gonna go ahead and call it. It was great to see the Flower and Garden Topiaries this morning. It was a lot of fun to park hop, and it was fun meeting up with Carousel of Connor. That was the first time we've ever seen him in person. We are headed back to the Riviera to grab a bite to eat, get a good night's sleep, and then head home. The adventures will not stop, guys. We have more coming up, so stay safe, stay healthy, get a good night's rest wherever you are, and remember that every day is a new adventure.
Bye!
Goodbye!